Parrots aren't just pretty birds with flashy feathers and funny voices. They're brainy, like, solve a puzzle faster than your kid brainy. But what makes parrots so smart? Today we're diving into the science behind their astonishing intelligence. When scientists talk about intelligence in animals, they look at problem solving, communication, memory, and social behavior. And parrots? They tick every box. Parrots can mimic human speech and understand context. They solve complex puzzles. They form deep social bonds and show emotional signs. They learn through social modeling and rival humans on some tasks. Scientists study these skills in labs and the wild to compare ability across tasks. Problem solving, communication, memory, all measurable. Parrots have a brain structure that's surprisingly similar to primates. Their brains are small but dense with neurons, especially in the forebrain. The Nidopallium caudalaterale is the avian equivalent of our prefrontal cortex. Parrots have a unique brain circuit acting like an information superhighway between regions. That wiring enables complex thought and rapid learning. Vocal learning and cognition co-evolved, enabling both mimicry and abstract thinking. This is explained in studies like Talking Parrots and the Origins of Human Intelligence. Altogether, those brains punch above their weight. Meet Alex, the African gray who could count, identify colors, and grasp same and different. His work with Dr. Irene Pepperberg changed how we view animal intelligence. Alex's legacy continues with Griffin, another African gray who passed the 4-cup test. He outperformed apes and even young children on some tasks. These classic tests reveal real cognitive depth. Alex and Griffin show parrots can form concepts, not just repeat sounds. Their research shifted how we measure animal minds. Cockatoos use tools to access food. Key parrots solve multi-step puzzles in the wild. Flocks communicate and cooperate to avoid predators. These social skills help them survive and thrive. Complex environments favored sharp memory and problem solving. See the fascinating intelligence of birds for field examples. Parrots and corvids, like crows and ravens, are the Einstein and Hawking of the bird world. Both groups show self-awareness, tool use, and planning. Their intelligence rivals that of primates in many tasks. For a broader comparison, check recent studies comparing these species to children. Parrots stand out for social learning and vocal complexity. Parrots evolved in complex environments. Their minds are absolutely brilliant. If you're amazed, subscribe for more and tell us, what's the smartest thing you've seen a parrot do?